In this video, I will show you how to use AI commands to rewrite a blog into a series of 3 social media posts for Facebook. Let's jump right into it. If you have multiple properties, make sure you select the correct property. First, click the knowledge base icon located at the top of the dashboard. Next, create a new article to get started. Add a new paragraph by clicking this button. Click on the text box, and these options will appear. Click this icon and it will prompt you to tell AI Assist what to do. In this example, we will show you how to rewrite a blog into a series of 3 social media posts for Facebook. Once it finishes generating a response, it will give you 4 options: Done, Continue Writing, Retry, or Discard. If you are satisfied with the result, just click Done, and boom! The blog was rewritten into a series of 3 social media posts for Facebook. For further instructions on how to use this function, please visit our community center or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist by clicking the link in the description.